gonna take the hardest part, which is the buddy. Now.
Alright, so you put that in your mouth at 10 seconds.
I don't know how to do that.
So I'm actually going to count it from the instant that it went in your mouth. Sorry, Matt. See, she's doing it smart. She's doing it in small pieces. Whereas I shoved the entire thing in my mouth and you only did half at a time.
I took a bite, chewed it up some, took another bite.
She doesn't want her mouth to dry out. Damn it, why didn't I think of that?
Because we aren't smart.
No, we're not.
You don't think like Kayla does.